Everybody to our beach party. As Dwayne told you earlier, we've got a weekend filled with parties next week. You know it. And with most of Jamaica heading to the north coast, you have to be beach ready. And get this, Simone Michelle has the handmade pieces that are not only fashionable, but reversible. Sounds like a yes to me, because that means that you can do half the packing. Just put them in, and then when you're done with them, just blow them out and turn around and wear them again. Hi.
Pretty much.
How
Hi,
are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Why reversible?
Because I find that it's practical. You know, not all of my swimsuits are reversible, but I find that the ones that are get a little extra push. Persons like the idea of being able to wear the same swimsuits in a different way.
Yes.
I mean, it's practical, it's economical. So.
Yeah, and when you talk about beach ready, if your body isn't ready, your outfits will be ready.
Of course.
So you can put it on and...
Your body
Everybody-
ever
everybody
ready.
is
No, but
Thank
there are
you
some-
very
there are some
much.
people-
And the
Everybody
thing
is
is, no, because you're gonna make people feel uncomfortable in them skin. But if you have the right clothes,
Yeah, if you have the right clothes
That's
to
what I'm
suit
saying.
you,
but you
then-
have to say it right.
But that's what I was getting to.
No, but you said them body not ready.
No, I didn't say that.
That you say.
I didn't say that.
That you say.
Okay.
That you say.
I said if. Okay. What your piece is, how long do you take to design a piece?
I have no idea really, to be very honest. I find that a lot of my ideas come from something that I want personally. So I might see something that I like, but there's something about it I don't particularly love. I tweak it a little bit to suit myself, and I make it for myself. If I don't like it, I change it again. It's kind of always evolving and changing. So.
Do you have a size limit to the clothing that
Nope.
you make? your
Everything can be done to your size. That's the beauty of it. It's custom in a sense where it's size and fits. Everything is done to your measurements. I used to sew everything myself, so I would require all your measurements, etc. And now I've recently gotten a little help.
Yeah, your Lego.
Really. So I do the stuff that I do with her are more sample sizing, more store-bought sizes, whereas if persons want something that is a little bit more custom fit and you want to flatter something or you want to hide something, I don't know.
So it's a beach party weekend next week, Heroes weekend. How long a notice would you need from someone if they want a custom piece?
Well, usually I take about 2 weeks turnaround time. I know Heroes weekend is next weekend, but I have a
Right.
few items in stock.
So you have items in stock, but I can't get anything custom right now.
No, definitely not.
Okay,
I mean,
and-
because
that's
everything
nice.
is, you want it to be, you want the quality. You don't want to just rush
A rush
something,
thing.
and a lot of people order for the holiday weekend, so I would not want to
Ooh
be
la la, I like that one.
compromising on quality.
What is your price range? Is it affordable?
Yes, so the swimsuits start at about $6,000. I go up to as much as $10,000, $12,000, depending on the style and if it's custom, depending on if it's reversible or not. There's a lot of variables.
Details. And you do cover-ups as well.
I do.
Tell
So
me
this
a
one
little
is
bit, yeah.
a little bit more glamorous, a little sequins.
Yes.
Whereas the models have on a skirt wrap, which is a little bit, it can be casual, it can be dressy, depends on how you want to dress it up.
Are any of those pieces or any of the pieces that you models, are you wearing reversible?
Yes, so she's wearing the black swimsuit with the light blue cover up.
Yes.
On the other side, it is actually a very vibrant print.
My darling, take your model walk. That is you were saying a vibrant
Yes,
piece on the other side?
you can come this way. I'll show you a little peek of the other side.
Yes, it has to be a peak, right?
Yes.
Ah, so it's a whole different swimsuit.
A whole
once
different
you flip it
swimsuit, and then
over.
you can wear it on. You can wear the top on the print and
the bottom
on
without,
the
or
solid,
vice
or
versa.
yeah.
So it's a mix and match scenario.
Yeah. So you kind of have 4 swimsuits in one.
4. Yeah.
Yeah,
mix up
because
and
you
match.
have this one black and white.
Yeah.
Sorry, full black. Print, that's 2. Top in black, print in the bottom, that's 3, or the reverse, that's 4.
You know what I always wonder?
What's that?
For men.
Oh.
Working on it. I get that question all the time, and it all comes down to the fabric and what's available. And I want it to be if you guys want spandex swimwear, that's a speedo
I'd like
vibe.
a reversible shirt
I don't
kind
know.
of thing.
Boy, that's a little bit technical.
And
It's
you
possible,
guys-
but that's not really meant.
And you guys do you wear cover-ups?
No? I just go
Man
to the
don't
beach.
wear cover-up. Them just wear topless
it's
and
mostly
bottom.
shorts.
So you just need shorts.
Just need shorts.
I mean,
She can make shorts
sometimes,
for you.
sometimes I'd like to have a cover up kind of thing.
Sure.
You
So
know?
suppose a man comes in and says that he would like a pair of shorts out of spandex material. You can do that.
shorts and spandex don't really work. That's more tight.
Okay.
Or speedos. So it just depends on the preference. But I have made a few pair of shorts here and there. I'm actually trying to find the right type of swim fabric for men and in bulk and readily available. So I'm working on it though.
Okay, so just in case I ran out of stuff to wear this weekend and I need to come and get one of the pieces, I can't get them custom, but where do I get the pieces that you already have?
Okay, so you can find me on Instagram, which is MISIM Beach Babe, MISIM Beach Babe, or on my website, or you can email me info@missimbeachbabe.com.
Fantastic. That is how we do summer, and you know in Jamaica summer never ends, so
Always.
it's always good to have a new swimsuit. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, too.
Creator of MISIM Beach Babe, Simone Michelle. I wonder what other advice Granny Saki have for young people like you for this weekend.
So, fine,
What do you think?